Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle Spieler. I'm an over 25-year professional makeup artist, and I'm also the creator of Mature Makeup Masterclass, a series of over 20 videos that you can purchase to learn more about mature technique using all different products, all different budgets, okay? You can always find that link in any of my title descriptions. As you are watching this right now, I am out of surgery and I am filming this on Monday, January 30th. And so my surgery is February 1st, about 7 in the morning. So if you're watching this, I'm already in recovery. I will be staying about 24 hours at the facility, just so that I can have a surgical nurse overnight. People can develop hematomas after surgery. So I will have a surgical nurse, I will have drains, and then the next day the doctor will come in and take the drains out and just give me the A-OK to go home. So I will be convalescing for minimum of 2 weeks. I will do updates in YouTube shorts. So I will not be doing long form probably for a couple weeks. Or at least I'll take a full week to week and a half off, but I will be doing YouTube shorts. So if you don't follow me, subscribe, okay? Subscribe. That's the only way that you'll be able to catch all of my YouTube shorts where I will be documenting my surgery and the progress. I will try not to do anything too graphic. I personally get very queasy at photos or videos of people healing from surgery. I don't think I'm gonna look in the mirror the first few days, just because I get queasy. I wouldn't wanna faint. I really could probably faint from it, even thinking about it right now. So I just really appreciate everyone's prayers. I realize that this is something that is elective. I realize it's something that I'm signing up to do. There's no guarantees with any surgeon on the planet. Nobody is foolproof. Nobody is mistake proof. And so I'm just praying for skilled hands and quick healing and just ease for my family. Tate's gonna go to a boarding place for almost a week just because he's too hyper and wants to be right by my side, and that could be quite dangerous. So anyway, I'm glad you're here and I appreciate your prayers. Today, I received a box from Seint. It's products that I ordered at the big birthday sale. So on the 17th of January, we had our 6th birthday parties. Seint is only 6 years old. It started as Mascara Beauty because Kara, the owner, had her own blog called Mascara, being mask, and then Kara, because she's Kara. And because masks kept getting flagged during the quarantine of 2020 and so many people were not getting their posts out, like Facebook and Instagram, anyone, if they would see the word mask, they would hold the photo or say, this isn't going to go out, or we deleted your photo, or we blocked your post, or whatever. So Kara had to think real quick about how can we circumvent this. And so she changed the name of the company to Seint, and Seint is spelled French with an E. And I love it. I do. I feel like we're all little saint angels helping women feel better about themselves. And it's just a really fun business. I have a really great growing team of mature women, and I had a lot of women join on the 17th, and we have our own Facebook group, and it's just a really special community of women that, you know, some women are just there for community, and some women are there to help family and friends only, and some women are there to be, you know, more like me, where they really want to grow their social media and help a larger audience. So everyone is welcome at my table, and I just wanted to mention that in case anyone else out there was thinking anything about it. Okay, so the first thing up, they did something very special at the sale, and they created demi edits, and they are so cute. Look at that. Look, it's come in this little box. I just love this little box that they all came in. And I think I got the Wide Awake edit. So I got the Wide Awake edit. These have been sold out ever since the 17th. And they are slightly discounted because you're buying them in a bundle, but keep your eyes out, because It's still under new and featured on the website, and you will be getting these eventually, okay? In the meantime, you can always just, you know, order a little 4 palette and just, you know, get some of the colors that I tell you need. I do free color matches. That link is also always in my links on TikTok, on Instagram, and in YouTube links. It would just be whatever video you click on, a menu drops down. You will always see the free color match link. Now, I will not be color matching for about 4 or 5 days, just because I'm going to have stitches in my eye and I don't know what that's going to be like. But I mean, this isn't, you know, this isn't life-shattering stuff here. It's makeup, and I know you can all be patient for 4 or 5 days until I can get back to color matching. And if anything, color matching is going to be great because I am going to be in bed for a couple of weeks, and it'll be something nice I can just do in bed on my laptop. Okay, the next thing I got that I'm really excited about were these darling blushes. How cute is this kit? I love this. And the one I wanted to try today, because I do have a little of the Demi R5 on. It's probably the blush I reach for about right there. It's like a Barbie pink. I reach for that about, I swear, 75% of my life. I just love it. But there's a new one that I really wanted to see, and it's called Bear. Is this it? Yeah, this is Bear. And I really wanted to try it out today. Is this Bear? Let me see. Yeah, this is Bear. And it's just super bare. But I don't know, I was just really intrigued by it. I really wanted to try it. So I thought I could try it right now and we could see. So anyway, I'm going to take it. This is the bronzer blush brush, and I'm going to take a little bit here. Oh, wow. It has more color than I thought. Isn't that pretty? It's like the perfect... Oh my gosh, it's like the perfect nude. I might even like it better than Desert Sunset. And I think because I had that pink under it, it gives it just a pinch more color. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I couldn't wait to get that. I saw a real cute Seint artist on Instagram, Lulu. She had this on one day, and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get that. And I love it. Obviously, I think it's a gloss, right? I think that's a gloss formula. Let me double check. It doesn't say. I think it's a gloss because you see how it's got that beautiful sheen. And then I also saw her use it on her eyes, and I thought, oh, that'd be pretty too. Just kind of using it like in the crease and kind of out here in the outer crease, you know, because you know how much I love using Bella in the crease, but I thought, ooh, this could be really nice in the crease too. It's just kind of a, I don't know, just like a really beigey. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, so winner, love that. And then let me show you what else came in this collection. This is Love Spell. Love Spell is a color that came out about a year ago. I remember when I first was really getting into color matching a lot of women. Love Spell was so pretty because it's like this sheer kind of warm brownish plum. And I just told so many women to get this color. See, it's just kind of a sheer brownish plum, but when you put it on the lips, it's even more plum because then your natural lip color comes through. And then we have the new one called Tiger Lily. What's this one? Oh, that's Audrey. Audrey came out last year also. This is, maybe I should put my glasses on so I could actually read any of this. This is Scarlet. Oh, that'd be pretty for, that would be so pretty for Valentine's. Ah, my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know, we have Ruby, but, we have Ruby, but we don't really have like a brighter red. And now we do. I think I see a French beauty video in our future, right? I love that. I love red lips. I just love red lips. And I felt like ruby was ruby red. And then this is the new Tiger Lily. It's our new blush we just came out with. And I think this is going to be, and this feels like a satin. It's not as, but that's really pretty because that's like a true coral. It's not too pink. It's like a real pretty, kind of an orangey peachy coral. Really pretty. Anyway, I couldn't wait to get those. So I'm going to put those all back in this little kit just because it's so cute. I love that scarlet lip. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love that scarlet lip. And then, okay, so I got that. I love that. And then what's this? I don't know what this is. What did I order? Oh, this is the new perfume. It was a gift with purchase when you spent a certain amount of money. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I don't know how to describe it. It's floral. Clean though, real clean floral. That is nice. I tried a few of the solid fragrances and I didn't like them. I did not like them, but this, it was like for gift with purchase. It was free. So this is number 6. This is the number 6. Oh my gosh, that's going to be my new everyday. And they're clean, you know, they're clean fragrances. They're not like super man-made, unhealthy. And then we had the red palette that you could only get. So I'm not trying to tease you, but you could only get the red palette at the sale. And how cute that is. And it's actually not as red in person. It's almost more of like a bricky red, but it's so pretty. I love that it's shiny. And I don't know, I'm going to San Antonio for a huge Seint convention in April. And I think this will probably be the one I take because it's just so pretty. So pretty. So I got that. So that is what I got at the artist sale. I just wanted to come on and show everyone real quick what those blushes look like. And oh my gosh, that smells so good. It's like, I guess the website might say what the notes are, but it's like it's a floral, but it's kind of clean. Well, that's going to be my new favorite. Look at how cute these lips are. I love them. I love these lips. And I love this bear. I'm going to wear this a lot, this bear. I'm going to wear it a lot because if I want to do a big smoky eye, I like kind of a subtle blush. But because I do kind of have a more neutral, subtle eye, I think I can pull off this red really well. I love it. It's very soft, very pretty. Okay, that's it. I think that's all the orders of business I had to go over. I just wanted to keep this real brief and say, thank you for being here. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the prayers. You guys helped Tate get through that really rough dog attack. I really believe in the power of prayer. I appreciate everyone who checks in on him, and he's doing so great. And now, if you could direct that attention to me and my healing, I would really appreciate it. I will try to heal and be a good patient so I can get back here as soon as possible, but I will be in stories, or not stories, YouTube shorts every single day, I promise. Just so you guys can kind of follow along and how I'm doing. And I know there's going to probably be a couple days where I'm like, what did I do? What did I do to myself? I'm not nervous. I am real excited and I have a total peace about it. And that's that. I love you all so much. I'll see you real soon. Thank you for being here. And if you're new and you need a color match, just be patient this week and I will probably start doing them next weekend, okay? Bye for now.